Toyota is widely reported to be developing an all-new Fortuner and is expected to make its global debut end of this year before going on sale in foreign markets. Considering its popularity in India, the full-size SUV could make its way locally in the near future, predictably towards the end of 2023 or early 2024. The exterior could gain a revised front fascia and rear end, taking an evolutionary approach to design, and it could be influenced by the latest crop of Toyota SUVs sold in the international markets. It is said to sit on a new ladder frame chassis, but the new generation Innova Hycross will switch to the modular TNGA monocoque. The Japanese manufacturer has been riding on a wave of momentum created by the latest launches such as the heavily updated Glanza and the all-new Urban Cruiser Hyryder. Following the hybrid trend, the upcoming Fortuner will also get a new hybridized unit, as a 2.8-liter GD series diesel engine will work in tandem with an electric motor and a battery pack. The body-on-frame construction will have its off-roading characteristics preserved, while the safety aspects could also be improved.